Have you ever come across a beautiful crochet item while browsing the internet? It's likely the pattern uses the single crochet stitch. This basic stitch is written in patterns as an S and a C, and it can also be used to make anything and everything. So let's learn how to make it. To make the single crochet, you need to already have at least a foundation chain. There's a link in the description to a video on how to make that. In this example, I'm going to make a single crochet in every chain. Okay, here we go. Start by inserting your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Yarn over again and pull through the loops. That's it! But let me show you another way to make a single crochet into the foundation chain. This time, I'm going to make a single crochet into the back of the chain. So insert your hook into the bump of the chain. This isn't always quick. Yarn over and pull through the bump. Now yarn over and pull through the loops. This method gives you a nice clean edge. Now before you run off, let me explain the characteristics of this stitch. There's a right side and a wrong side. On the right side, you can see the top of the stitch, which looks like a V. When crocheting into the single crochet, you'll insert your hook and go under this V. A pattern may tell you to work only in one loop, but we'll cover that in another video. Now on the wrong side, you can't really see the top of the stitch as well. Don't be fooled by that guy right there. He isn't part of the V or the top of the stitch. I hope you learned how to make a single crochet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more videos. Thanks for watching.